In this video, I'm going to tell you why the concept of, oh, if you are like one step ahead of somebody or one day ahead of somebody or a week ahead of somebody, you can be their mentor is bullshit. We're going to get into that right now because you need to be aware of this, because you who want to start an ATM business and learn a business need to be very careful. Caution, red signs, blinking lights, all kinds of shit should go up, okay, after you watch this video. Hey guys, my name is Carey Buck. I've been an independent ATM business owner since 2009. I've been an ATM business mentor since 2011. If you'd like to learn more about the ATM business or see how I can help you start your own ATM business, click the link in the description. Don't forget to like this video, hit that ATM in the corner, subscribe to this channel, hit that bell notification, select always, so every time I post a video, you're first to know about it. Okay, so, a lot of these people selling digital courses or teaching you how to create your own digital course will tell you, you know what, if you're like one step ahead of somebody, like literally one step, like 1 hour, 1 minute, something, just one sliver ahead of somebody, you can teach them something and get paid for it, right? You can be their mentor, their coach, and get paid for it, okay? Yeah, okay, sure, it's true, you could. But if you want to get into something like the ATM business, you better be careful about that shit, because you are going to be the one that's on the hook, okay? You're going to be the one that's on the hook, because I'm going to tell you what's happening. I got on TikTok recently. I'm kind of new to TikTok, but I'm poking around and I'm seeing a lot of shit. I'm seeing a lot of people that have ATM businesses. A lot of people on TikTok with ATM businesses, right? And a lot of these people want to teach you the ATM business too, right? Yeah, because you know what? Hey, they're one step ahead of you. They place 1 machine, 2 machines, 3 machines, 4 machines, right? They've been doing it for a day, a week, a month, maybe even a year. They're ahead of you. So you can pay them to learn the ATM business, right? Wrong. Be careful. Buyer beware. Okay? Beware. Why do I say this? Because I watch some of these TikToks, and it takes me like 0.3 seconds to see what they're doing wrong and to see how if they got caught, that they would probably be put out of business. Let that sink in. Let that sink in for 1 second. You're watching somebody on TikTok who's been bragging about their ATM business for weeks now, months now, telling you how they could teach you, right? And they're bragging, hey, yeah, go get my, whatever the hell it is, I don't know, ebook, membership site, I don't even know what it is, anything. Go buy it, I'll teach you the business. Yeah, I can teach you, I can help you, right? But yet somebody like me, who's been in the business 13 years, actually over 13 years now, in 0.3 seconds can spot something that person is doing wrong, and that if they got caught, they'd get put out of business. That should like send chills up your back, make the hair on the back of your neck stand up, right? Because that person has no business teaching you the ATM business. Why? Because they don't even know the business. They don't even know the business. Sure, okay, we can all admit, we can all agree that it's easy to buy an ATM and put it in a location. Simple, right? Every single business idea on this planet is simple from this bird's eye view. And all these people on TikTok, that's all they're doing. They probably actually, literally, probably watched somebody else's TikTok, saw they had an ATM business, went out, bought an ATM, found a business, put it in there. And now they're like ATM experts. They're ATM mentors, and they're going to teach you the business too. Only what you don't know is they don't know the business. No, they know how to buy an ATM from somewhere. They know how to place an ATM somewhere, but they don't know the business. They don't know the parts of the business that are going to get you in trouble. How do I know that they don't know those parts of the business? Because I see it in their TikToks. It takes me like 0.3 seconds, if that, to see it in their TikToks. If they don't know it, they damn sure ain't going to teach you it, right? They don't want to answer questions because they don't know the answers to the questions, okay? It doesn't even matter. I just see their TikToks, I see their videos, and I see that they don't know what they're doing. Sure, anybody can load an ATM machine. But come on, guys. You've got to get serious about this. If you really really want to start an ATM business and you want to learn about it, which you should, you totally should learn about it first. And that does not mean watching free TikTok videos. That does not mean watching free YouTube shit and Google shit, which you can do that. But at some point, you should want to learn from somebody who's been there and done that, right? It's going to cut your learning curve down like this, and it's going to cut your time frame that you want to succeed down like this as well, which that's what you should want to do. You always want to decrease the time that it takes to do something, right? Do your research. Do your research to find somebody to learn from, okay? I'm not saying you're going to want to learn from me. I'm not everybody's cup of tea. I know, and I'm very blunt. I'm very to the point. I'm not going to sugarcoat shit. I curse. I'm from Philly. I just got that Philly vibe about me. I'm not everybody's cup of tea. That's okay. But please, if you're going to go find somebody to teach you the business, okay, make sure they have experience, okay? See what they've done, right? Don't just look at their TikTok videos. Google them. Go on YouTube. Watch all their TikTok videos. See how far back they go. See what they've been talking about all this time. Maybe they've been on TikTok for, I don't even know how old TikTok is. Maybe they've been on TikTok for 2 years, right? And they got 10,000 TikTok videos. And recently, they have like 20 ATM videos. Recently. Part of that other 10,000 has been talking about Amazon FBA, has been talking about network marketing, has been talking about real estate, has been talking about crypto, has been talking about all this other shit that they think you should do. But now they're just now they're talking about the ATM business, right? And now, since they have an ATM and you don't, they can teach you the business. That's a money grab. That's a money grab. But here's the thing. This is the sad part. This is the sad part. They don't even know. They probably don't even know that they don't know what they're doing. As I know that they don't know. I know that they don't know what they're doing. Wait, no. I know that they don't think that they don't know. Do you know what I'm trying to say here? Let me know in the comments if you know what the hell I'm trying to say. They think they know what they're doing, right? And they think they want to help you by teaching you the business of what they know. But they don't know what they don't know. And they're going to teach you that. And now you're not going to know what you don't know. But the thing is, there's certain things in the ATM business, if you don't know, it will get you in financial trouble. Financial trouble, okay? So much financial trouble that it could put you out of business before you even start getting trucking, right? So much financial trouble, it could be it could put that person that you're watching on TikTok out of business. Take it seriously, right? Take it seriously who you learn from, right? You're not on TikTok watching somebody to learn how to basket weave, right? You're not on TikTok watching somebody to learn how to scrapbook. If you want to learn how to basket weave or scrapbook or start a scrapbooking or basket weaving business on TikTok, go for it. Go for it. But you had best do your due diligence and research if you want to learn a business like the ATM business or real estate or something like that has financial and legal implications. Okay? You gotta do your due diligence. Do not just take somebody's word for it because they're making nice little TikToks with nice music and showing you ATM and cash. Okay? Don't just take that person's word for it. I'm telling you, please don't do it. Again, I might not be your cup of tea, but I promise you, please do not just take that person's word for it, okay? It's not just one person, by the way, okay? There's a lot of TikTokers out there who suddenly are ATM business mentors because they got an ATM or two, okay? And they've been in ATM business for a day, a week, a month, a year, whatever, okay? Just be careful, okay? Look for experience. Look at all their TikToks. Look at all their other social media. How long have they been in the business? Okay? That's really important. That's the biggest thing. Do they have any complaints about them? And that you can take with a grain of salt, right? Because, sometimes you'll get students that just get pissed off at you for whatever reason. Like, you have your boundaries and they don't like it and they get pissed off, right? It happens, right? But research them. Google them. YouTube them. TikTok them, right? Look them up. How much experience do they have? Do they do all sides of the business that you're interested in? Like I do permanent placement and I do mobile. Do they do both sides of the business? Do they understand both sides of the business? Right? Just be careful. Be careful. That's all I'm saying. Buyer beware out there. Like I don't envy you and your position. I really don't. I really don't. Because when I got started in 2009, it was not like it is now. It really was not. Like, that's not how this business was. But now, 2022, you have like everybody and their mother is now an ATM business mentor because they started an ATM business yesterday. You know what I mean? Like, I can't even tell you how many dudes and chicks I've seen who not a peep about the ATM business, and suddenly, oh, I own an ATM machine, and suddenly they're an ATM business mentor now. Be careful. You and your family's, finances are at stake, right? You got an end goal here. You got an end goal of most likely getting out of your job. Don't fuck it up by being cheap when it comes to learning a business like this, okay? Be cheap learning basket weaving. Be cheap learning scrapbooking. Don't be cheap when it comes to things like the ATM business or real estate or things like that that have financial and potentially legal implications, okay? Be careful. If you got any questions, post them below. If you'd like me to help you start your own ATM business, or if you want to just learn more about the ATM business, click the link in the description, enter your email, watch the 28-minute trading video on the next page, and then book a call with my team, and we'll see if we're fit to work together. Carey Buck here, signing out. I will talk to you soon. Have a great day. Sorry for the tough love. Not sorry. May you live happily off of passive income.